This is all part of a watershed. A watershed is where bodies of water, like small little creeks, flow downhill into bigger rivers, and those flow into bigger rivers, and eventually they end up at a big lake or even the Pacific Ocean. Now, right now, this water here is called freshwater. It's called freshwater because it doesn't have salt. That's the other type of water. That's what it's going to end up being, is salt water when it gets mixed in. Now, salt water, you can't use salt water for growing crops. You can't use salt water for trees or grass, but this fresh water is perfect for grass and trees, and there's all kinds of nature here. There's geese flying around here. They love this place. And up the path here, I see a pig. We're gonna go talk to the pig. Now, the one thing we talk about in water science is the water cycle. This whole thing, a watershed, is part of the collection process, where the water comes down and it collects into lakes and rivers so that we can use it. And also an aquifer, that's another part of the collection process. Hey, Puey.
What's that thing over there?
Oh, that is the dam.
What's a dam?
Well, sometimes it rains a lot, or the snow on the mountain melts a lot and rushes down, and we get more water than we can handle here. And if all that water just went down, it might flood into the homes around here.
Wow.
But this dam controls it. They've got doors there that'll let more water go out or less water go out. And if
so this gets full of water here?
It does. It could rise. It could rise up this hill here. It could rise up to my knees. It could rise up to my waist. It could get up all the way over my head.
I hope you can swim.
Of course, if it rained that much, I wouldn't be standing here, and you wouldn't be sitting there.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, we'd be home safe because it'd be raining. Puey, let me show you something. This is the dam. Way up there, that's how high the water could get in here. But right now, there's no flooding, and it's a beautiful day in nature. Coming back.
Where'd you go?
I went to the dam.
Oh.
I was telling you all about it.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Hey guys, Puey and I have been friends for a long time, but I realize you may not know about Puey. Hey Puey, tell them, where were you born?
I was born in France.
France?
Yeah, on a farm.
On a farm?
Lots of animals.
Wow. Did you have brothers and sisters?
Yeah, one brother, one sister. They look just like me.
They look like you? Do they talk like you?
No, I'm special.
He is special. And that's really awesome. Well, why are you here in California?
I came to be a movie star.
Well, are you working on being a movie star right now?
I am. Ready from the close-up. Hey, Obediah.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I grew up in Dayton, Ohio, home of the Wright brothers. They were the first two guys that invented an airplane, flew.
Really?
Yeah. And I came out to California because I wanted to make videos for kids like those.
Awesome. Do you have brothers and sisters?
I do. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and they're all older than me. I'm the baby of the family.
You don't look like a baby.
Pretty big, aren't
Come
I?
on, go. Say wah, 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 wah.
No, I'm not going to say wah, wah, wah.
You're a baby.
I'm bigger than all my older brothers and sisters. I'm the tallest one in the family. I'm taller than you.
Everybody's taller than me.
That's true.
Rain is falling on the highway, rinsing car oil down my driveway. The oil is mixing with the rain, and it's all going down into the storm drain. Now let me explain about a storm drain. It's right there at your feet. It's a hole in the street. Storm drain's connected to a big pipe. Big pipe's connected to a bigger pipe. Polluted fluids flowing in motion, and it's all going down into the ocean. Down the river to the ocean. Down the river to the ocean. Now the rain is falling on my front lawn. The lawn I just put some fertilizer on. The chemicals are mixing with the rain, and it's all going down into the storm drain. Once again, I'll explain about a storm drain. It's right there at your feet. It's a hole in the street. Pesticides, fertilizer, chemicals, car oil, plastic cups, cigarette butts, even doggy doo. Ugh. Urban waste is going to the wrong place. Now you've got a good notion of what goes down into the ocean. Rain puts chemicals in motion, down the river to the ocean. Rain puts chemicals in motion, down the river to the ocean.